Article 25. Article 25 says about the freedom of conscience. Freedom of conscience. Make profession, practice, and propagate right to propagate a religion. Right to propagate religion. Freedom of conscience, freedom of a profession, freedom of a practice, right to propagate a religion. Article 25(1) says to maintain the public order, to maintain the public order, morality, health, to maintain the public order, morality and health, you may practice any kind of a religion. Such kind of a right provided in Article 25. Subject to maintain public order, morality and health. Whatever the religion you may practice for your freedom of conscience, freedom of making any type of profession, freedom of making a profession practice, and right to propagate your religion. In Article 25, 2 says what kind of already existing laws there is, such kind of laws state would not prevent. Such kind of laws, there is no right to prevent any kind of already existing laws. Already existing laws. What kind of existing laws there is already? Such kind of laws would not be prevented by the state. Regulating. There is one provision also in Article 25 2A, regulating, restricting the economy of the people, religious people, financial, political, secular activities with the restricting rules and regulations. You may provide economy, financial matters, political and secular activities also. You may have right to establish, providing social and social welfare and reform. In Article 25 2B, A says providing social welfare. So welfare is the primary matter of each and every person's development and reformation also. Reformation also. Every person's reformation is also very important to each and every person when you are practicing a religion. establish institutions. Religious institutions. Religious institutions for the public purposes. Whatever the religious institutions you may establish for the public purposes, you establish the institutions to see the social welfare and reform each and every person's religious practice. Provision. One explanation here. Explanation one says like this way about the religions of the Sikhs. Sikhs may wear or carry their kirpans, take any kind of profession, whatever the place there is, such kind of religious practice may have right to provide. Such kind of religious practice and make a profession established by the Sikhs when they are carrying their kirpans as a religious practice. In explanation 2, there we see here, whoever there is, either a Sikhs, Buddhist, Jainist, whoever there is, they have equal rights to practice their religious profession, practice whatever the activities there is to establish their religious institutions as a Hindu religious institution. Equal status should be allotted to the Sikhs, Buddhist, Jainists who are in India. Every person has a right as Hindus. See, whether there is a Sikhs, Buddhist or a Jainist, whoever there is, they have a right to establish their institution and practice in their profession and manage their institutions. Right is also provided equal to the Hindu section, Hindu religion accordingly. Like that way, Article 25 says about the freedom of conscience, professional practice, propagate religion.